Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am going to be doing a DIY designer unboxing today from ThredUp. These boxes are designer items that ThredUp gets, but for some reason they don't list them. Either they don't list them or they didn't sell, we don't really ever know for sure. So I was kind of on a dry spell for designer boxes for a while, and yeah, I'm back to it. So I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love doing them. I got to keep my eyes peeled and I kind of forget to look for them until I need them, and then I'm out of them for too long. So anyway, all right, I have a box today, and this box is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I don't know, they pretty much all are from Pennsylvania these days, it seems like. So I got a regular size box, just a, one of the regular, not one of the extra large boxes. It's heavy though. It's pretty heavy. So I'm kind of hopeful. That, probably doesn't even mean a darn thing if it's heavy or not. But, we all have our little things that we try and determine what's in these darn boxes. Okay, anyway, let's open this thing. Let's open this thing. All right. Oh, look at that. It's a kind of a mess in here. Let's see. There's the box. There's the box. I'll make sure that this is what this is here. Yes, DIY designer. Okay, so you get 7 pieces in these boxes, and it can be men's, women's, even children's. One time I got a children's item, and it can be accessories or clothing. So I, of course, love to get handbags, number 1. Shoes are my second preference, and clothing is my third. So let's just see. Okay, well, I see one Escada piece, and I like Escada. It doesn't sell for the most, but I like Escada. We got a lot of clothing in here. See, did you see what I saw? Did you see? Okay, well, all right. I see Escada. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Let's open this thing and see what we got. Oh, I miss doing these boxes. I have to admit, I love them. Okay, here is an Escada jacket. The size seems to have kind of worn. Oh, no, it's not. Is it a jacket or oh, it's a dress. Look at this. Oh, that is super gorgeous. Or is it even maybe a coat? I think it might be a long jacket. Ooh, that is super gorgeous. I'm trying to figure out 36. It's really a small size. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look it up and unbutton and have a better look, but it is, oh my heaven's sakes, this is gorgeous. It's got this liner inside it, kind of green. I think it's a 38. It's a 38, made in Italy. Escada Margherita Lei. I don't know, Margaret. Usually that name is usually with the Escada name. I'm not a big Escada, connoisseur of the brand, but anyway, it's a beautiful dress or jacket, whatever it is. I'm gonna have to look and see. Anyway, pretty gorgeous. Whether it's I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't see anything wrong with it. So anyway, I'll have a better look over it and put it on the screen. So, all right. Oh, I got a pair of shoes in here. Well, I'm not gonna do the shoes next. I'm gonna do whatever this is. Ooh. All right. We've got a HLOE shirt. Look at this. Let's see, Chloe Ritter. Okay, it looks like this looks like just like a long, kind of a semi-sheer. Oh, there's a hole in it. That's the problem. There's a couple holes in this. It's a semi-sheer, like, kind of like a vest type thing. Yeah, but there's these 2 holes in it. That's the problem. That's a really big bummer because it's super soft. There's a hole in the back too. So there's multiple holes. 1, 2. There's one in the back. That one doesn't bother. But anyway, that's easily mendable. There's a couple in the back too. So bummer. I think I could probably have this. Excuse me. Mended, or somebody could purchase it and have it mended. It would just be some stitches of the same color. I don't know how good it would look though. I don't know with a sweater, with it being a sweater. I don't know, but I don't know what the material is either. Let's see. Oh, Look at this. 70% cashmere, 30% silk. Okay, that is one really gorgeous. That is really gorgeous. Gosh, I'm not convinced I'm not going to keep that for myself and mend it and use it, but something tells me that is a very expensive item. It's Chloe. That's cool. You know what? I think someone can mend it. I don't know, but I'm going to go to this next. I do not know this brand name. I probably should. I've seen it before. I don't know much about it. It's VILA. VEJA. VILA Shoes. So, I mean, they do have some wear. I mean, it's not a terrible amount of wear. They're leather, and they've got kind of like a light sage green on them. Well, let's go look and see what the shoe size is. 41. European 41. So that's like a 10 and a half, something like that. They're cute. They don't look like a 10. Yeah, I guess maybe they do. 10. I would say a 10. And they're white leather. I don't see anything wrong with these shoes. They do have wear. Perhaps they had too much wear because they've got like there's the crease here, and then it's the same one on the left shoe. So, I mean, these will sell. I don't know what brand this brand is, but I have a feeling it's expensive. You probably are watching, going, yeah. So, okay, come. All right, my video quit on me. Anyway, I was on a bad streak for a while. All right. Hopefully we're still recording here. All right, good. Next up. What is next? I don't see any handbags in here, which makes me sad, but yeah. All right, Helmut Lang makes gorgeous items, but they do not resell for very much. But anyway, it's a size small dress. It's a kind of a wrap dress. It feels like wool. And I'm going to show you the tag here. It's a size, like I said, size small. There's the tag. It is very, very pretty dress. And then there's, okay, it's a wrap in the front. And yeah. So let's see though. I'm going to guess and say that it's wool. What do we have? Let's look at the tag. And of course I cannot find the tag. The back of it has, it looks like actual leather around the zipper there, but I don't know for sure. I can't find the tag inside, but I'm just going to show you this fabric up close because it does, it does look like wool, and it really feels like wool. It's at least partially wool, but I bet it's 100% wool. So it's a wool dress. My SD card was full, and so I'm not sure exactly where. Isn't that convenient? I'm not sure where that last part of that video ended up, but anyway, I left off with this Helmut Lang wool dress, and I believe it's wool. It's a size small, so happy with this box so far. Pretty happy. I don't want to tempt the fates here, but All right, so far we have had these shoes, which are nice. This Helmut Lang dress. Size small. It's a wrap dress. We've had the Chloe cashmere jacket with a tie in the front. I think it's one size, by the way. I don't think I said that. And the Escada dress. Now, we got a couple items left to open here, or to look at. 3 left. What do we have here? We've got Alexander Wang, size 0, I believe it is. And it's a shirt. It's like a peplum look kind of shirt, with a V-neck slit down the front. It looks like black to me. It's pretty small, but it's a nice shirt. I don't see anything wrong with it offhand. Boy, oh boy, let me show you the tag. It's really kind of hard to read. Let's see. Here's the size on here. It's really, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but anyway, it's a shirt by Alexander Wang. Yeah, that should sell. It's nothing like, woo, too crazy, but but it's all good. The last item is a good one. All right. This is St. John pair of pants. They are kind of like a pencil. Well, let's see. They're narrow leg, and they're a size 6. Great size. Here we go. Size St. John, size 6 pants. And they button in the front. They don't button. Yeah, they actually have a button and a clasp. They look black to me. The clasp and the button seem to work fine. I don't see anything wrong there. Let's see in the back. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with these. Sometimes you have to wonder, right? Okay, does the zipper work? That's the other question. Yep, the zipper works. So I don't see anything wrong with these. The inseam looks to be about 27, 28 inches. So these are great. These are so nice. Oh, all right, one thing left, and I'm super excited about them because I've never gotten this brand before. And it was almost like the other day when I was out searching for things, I saw this brand name come up and I thought, gosh, I've never gotten that brand name. Alexander McQueen, pair of shoes. They do have, oh my gosh, look at the skull at the toe. Look at the skull. Oh my heavens, are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh my gosh. They need some cleaning. I will clean these up. They will look better when I'm done with them. But they do have this scuffing at the toe. So I assume that, you know, the fact that they're kind of dirty is part of it, and then also the scuffing. The clasp seems okay, and so everything's working correctly, that's the main thing you want. This is not, you know, your foot's going to be over that, so nobody's going to see it. But my guess is these were very, very expensive, and they're not that much. You know, the wear on the bottom isn't that bad. So these are adorable. It's the toe. It's the toe that's the problem. You see, there's the toe, the tearing at the toe. But I don't think that's the worst thing. Gosh, they're nice looking shoes. Look at them. All right, what is the size though? That is the other question. Can we find the size? Oh yeah, 39.5. That's a little big for me, but no, I'm not. I can't wear shoes like this. I need a little bit more support probably than these would be able to give me, but the skull, oh my heavens. All right, so I am excited about these shoes, about this whole box actually. I'm going to show you this skull up close. Like, look at the detail on that thing. Oh my gosh. So cute. Those will sell. So I'm excited about this box. I'll definitely make my money back. In fact, I think I'll do pretty well on this box. So I got the shoes. And then we've got the St. John pants, size 6. Kind of like a skinny, an ankle skinny, kind of like that. We've got the Alexander Wang shirt. I believe it's a size 0. It's a black, kind of a peplum look. It's like a tunic slash. And we've got the cashmere and silk tie front sweater. I think that's what it is. I'll find a picture of it. By the way, it buttons in the back. I didn't show you that before. Oh my heavens, it's gorgeous. And then we've got the wool dress by Helmut Lang. Size small. We've got the size 41 VILA. I don't know exactly how you say that, but I'm going to say VILA shoes. And then we've got the Escada dress or jacket, whatever it is. So I'm super stoked about this box. I can't take it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know your comments below. If you're interested in buying any of these items, send me a note to mystepstyle@gmail.com, and I will send you an invoice and ship it out to you. Thank you so much.